Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and you are watching the qualities of the Arabic letters. In the last class, we have finished the rules of Nun Sakin and Tanween, and now inshallah we are going to start the rules of Mim Sakin. Let us start now. So this is the first class of the rules of Mim Sakin. What is Mim Sakin? The Mim Sakin is a meme with a sukun sign on it. This is a Mim Sakin. So you can see there is a sukun sign on it, and also we call jazm. So when you see meme with a sukun sign, so that meme will be a Mim Sakin. Okay. So whenever you find this meme with a sukun sign anywhere, so you will see that there are three rules of Mim Sakin. The first rule is al-idgham al-shafawi. So al-idgham meaning is merging, and al-shafawi is called in English lips, like the sound of meme comes from the lips, because we are reading the rules of Mim Sakin. As meme sound comes from the lips, that's why we call it al-idgham al-shafawi. And the second rule of Mim Sakin is al-ikhfa al-shafawi. Al-ikhfa means hiding, and shafawi again like the rule of Mim Sakin we are reading, like you will hide the sound of meme in this rule. And the third rule is al-izhar al-shafawi. And al-izhar meaning is clear, and shafawi means again the Mim Sakin rules. Al-izharu shafawi meaning is like make the clear sound of Mim Sakin. And today we are going to start al-idgham shafawi, which is the first rule of Mim Sakin. What is al-idgham shafawi? Let us start now. Here is the first rule of Mim Sakin, which is called al-idgham al-shafawi. So the definition of al-idgham is, idgham means to mix or to put one thing into another. It is the mixing or entering of a sakin letter like this. The meme has a sukun sign, so this is a Mim Sakin, like a sakin letter, into a mutaharrik letter. So mutaharrik letter is that letter which letter has fatha, kasra, dhamma on it, like meme has a fatha here. So this is mutaharrik letter following it. So see the example of idgham. The first is Mim Sakin and the second is meme mutaharrik. When we mix this first meme into the second meme, it's become one mushaddad meme, like the meme with shadda sign on it. Then we will say mimma. When you join Mim Sakin with the next meme, so this is basically idgham you are doing, like one letter we are entering or mixing into the second letter, so it's become this meme with a shadda sign. So then we say mimma. So this is basically idgham. So what is the sound of al-idgham al-shafawi is, so you can see here the way of pronunciation. If a Mim Sakin is followed by a meme, the second meme is pronounced with ghunna. So if after the Mim Sakin the next letter is a meme, at that time we read the second meme with ghunna. So see the examples here. Here is a Mim Sakin, and after the Mim Sakin the next letter is a meme. That's why we will make al-idgham al-shafawi here, and what we do, we make a ghunna sound and we long for 1 second. So we say annahum. So which we are saying hum. With this is the gunna, and we make the gunna sound and long 1 second and read strongly the meme sound as we say annahum mab'usuna. Annahum mab'usuna. We are making gunna on the meme, as after the meme sakin the next letter is a meme. That's why here we make al-idgham al-shafawi, and the second meme is pronounced with gunna. See the second example here. Again, after the meme sakin the next letter is a meme. That's why we connect here the both meme, and this second meme we read with gunna. So we will say wa amanahum min, wa amanahum min, wa amanahum min. And see the example of al-idgham al-shafawi in the letters of muqatta'at, as when we spell this alif lam mim. So see here, alif is simple, lam here. In the end of the lam there is a meme with a sukoon sign, and after that the next letter is again meme, but in the beginning of this there is a meme letter. So what we are doing, after the meme sakin we are finding the meme. That's why when we mix these both memes, so it's become one mushaddad meme. That's why we make idgham al-shafawi here. After the meme sakin the next letter is a meme, so it's become one mushaddad meme. As you will see, then it will be meme with shadda sign, and then we say alif lam. So when you make gunna, so you will join your lips together strongly and you will hold your sound for a while into your nose, and we say again alif lam mim. So you will see the example of alif lam mim here in this in written, and when we go into detail, so this rule is actual. So we say again alif lam mim. So we are making idgham al-shafawi here. And in the next example you will see this word is written ta sin mim, and when you go in little detail, so you will see that ta is this one and sin is actually with the noon sakin sound in the end, and after that there is a meme. So what we do, we convert this noon sakin into a meme as we change. See here, this noon we converted into a meme due to the rule of idghami yarmaloon, where we read if after the noon sakin the next letter is a meme, so we convert noon sakin into a meme, so it's become meme sakin then, and after the meme sakin the next again meme, and we will make idgham al-shafawi there, like after the meme sakin the next is a meme. So what we do, so these both memes when we join it becomes one mushaddad meme, and then we say idgham al-shafawi, like we read the second meme with gunna and we say it qasim mim. Now see this one, qasim mim. And this is the rule of al-idgham al-shafawi. I hope you understand this rule. If you have any kind of question in this rule, please leave a message under this video, and inshallah in the next class we will start the second rule of meme sakin. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.